Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how I give my machine a quick clean, just to take off all the fluff that's been accumulating over time. I know there's going to be so much down there, I haven't cleaned it in ages, so let's have a look and see. I don't know about you guys, but there's something about removing the dust off the machine I find quite therapeutic. I mean, I look how it just gathers. The brush just touches it, just one touch, and then the dust collects and it all comes out in one go. I don't know, I can't be the only one out there that feels the same way. Let me know, at least I'll know that there's at least someone out there that feels the same way. Just a note guys, I know I'm guilty of doing it, but apparently it's really not good to not clean your machine for a very long time, as it causes problems. I personally haven't experienced any problems, but they say it's not good. So I need to myself know how to remember, even because I've got such a bad memory, remember even to clean your machine every so often, just so that it doesn't cause any problems.
Yeah, well, I just saw it. I was going to buy one anyway off Amazon. I was going to buy one anyway off Amazon, but I saw that, so I just got this one instead. No, this is her first time. She's planning on making some for her bakery. Well, she's planning on doing a bakery.
As I thought everything was going right, it wasn't. I've cleaned the machine, it's all fresh and clean inside, but I forgot to re-thread my machine again. I think it must have come loose somewhere, so all the thread is gathered at the bottom, as you can see, and I cannot move the fabric or the bobbin, so I'm gonna have to cut it and then restart again. So just another note, before you start sewing again, it's always good to check if the thread is in place. There's been so many times where I've started a project and that is how I would start it. Everything will just get caught up underneath. So that's one good tip for you guys. Redo your thread. What do I mean by redo your thread? I mean, like, take the thread out of the machine and realign it again. Make sure it's all in place so that it doesn't gather or cause problems, and that everything runs smoothly thereon. So I'm just going to do a test run on a piece of clothing that needed to be repaired, and everything is working just fine. Thank you for watching my first video. Stay tuned for more DIY sewing tutorials. Until next time, peace.